Have you ever wondered why server maintenance is so crucial in the world of information technology? It's like the unsung hero, quietly operating in the background, ensuring everything runs seamlessly. Not giving it the attention it deserves could lead to catastrophic consequences. Today, we dive into the world of server maintenance and provide a step-by-step guide on how to keep those servers at peak performance. Step 1. Regularly update your server software. Software updates often contain vital security patches and performance improvements. Ignore them at your peril. Always ensure your server is running on the latest software version to keep it secure and efficient. Step 2. Monitor server performance. Keep a close eye on your server's performance metrics. Look out for any irregular activity or sudden changes in CPU usage, memory usage, or network traffic. Early detection of problems can prevent major issues down the line. Step 3. Regularly back up your data. Data is the lifeblood of any organization. Regular backups protect your data from potential loss due to hardware failure, data corruption, or even cyber attacks. Remember, it's not a question of if data loss will occur, but when. Step 4. Keep your server physically clean. Dust and dirt can clog up your server, causing it to overheat and leading to hardware failure. Regular cleaning can extend the life of your server and keep it running smoothly. Step 5. Implement a disaster recovery plan. Despite your best efforts, disasters can and do happen. A well-thought-out disaster recovery plan ensures you can quickly restore your server and minimize downtime. Step 6. Regularly audit your server. Auditing your server allows you to identify any potential security risks and ensure your server is compliant with any relevant regulations. It also helps you keep track of any changes made to the server. Step 7. Train your staff. Your server is only as secure as the people who use it. Regularly train your staff on best practices for server usage and maintenance to ensure they don't inadvertently cause problems. So, to summarize, maintaining your server involves regularly updating your software, monitoring server performance, backing up your data, keeping your server clean, implementing a disaster recovery plan, auditing your server, and training your staff. Each of these steps plays a vital role in keeping your server at peak performance. Server maintenance might not be the most glamorous aspect of IT, but it's certainly one of the most important. By following these steps, you can ensure your server runs smoothly, stays secure, and serves your organization well. So remember, don't neglect your server. Give it the attention it deserves, and it will repay you with reliable, efficient performance.